In communications, first one is serial communication, UART. A universal asynchronous receiver transmitter is a computer hardware device for asynchronous serial communication. It is one of the simplest and oldest form of device to device digital communication. Second one is Arduino I2C. Arduino I2C is a serial communication protocol. So data is transferred bit by bit along a single wire. It involves using two lines to send and receive data, a serial clock pin SCL that the Arduino master board pulses at a regular interval, and a serial data pin SDA over which data is sent between the two devices. SPI communications. The serial peripheral interface SPI is a synchronized serial communication. It communicates in full duplex mode using a master-slave architecture with a single master. As this protocol is simple, as there is no complicated slave addressing system in it. So, SPI is the fastest protocol as compared to UART and I2C. If value is less than 40, then red LED is off. If value is greater than 40, then red LED is on. In this case, temperature, TMP36 sensor and LED are used. Positive point of sensor is connected with +5 and negative point of temperature sensor is connected with ground. Analog pin is connected with A0. On the other side, LED is connected with 220 ohm resistor with pin number 10 and negative point of LED is connected with ground. For UART communication, first Arduino ground is connected with second Arduino ground, and pin number 0 and pin number 1 of Arduino is used for RX and TX respectively. TX means pin number 1 is connected to RX, pin number 0, and then pin number 0 RX is connected to pin number 1 TX. For first Arduino, software serial is a header file for a serial communication which has include software serial.h. In this code, two variables are used, value VAL and T. Analog pin A0 is used for input and that value are stored in variable val. Then in mapping, 0 and 1023 is a lower and upper bound of current range, and then 0 and 200 is a lower and upper bound of target range. Then value of T will send the data to another Arduino. Same header is used for second Arduino. Positive pin of LED is connected with pin number 10 and with resistor 220 ohm, and negative pin of LED is connected with ground. Serial.read get data from first Arduino and store that value in temperature, and this temperature value is displayed on serial monitor. If temperature value is greater than 40, then LED is high, otherwise it is off. In this case, TMP36 temperature sensor is used. This temperature is a low voltage temperature sensor. In this sensor, first pin is connected with 5 volt Arduino pin. Then second pin is an analog voltage output pin. In Arduino, A0 to A5 is analog pin, so that second pin is connected between A0 to A5, and in pin number 3 it is connected with ground in Arduino. In addition, TMP36 sensor is helpful to measure temperature.